is my everyday easy makeup routine for beginners. Well, it can be used for anyone, but I would say for beginners because it only takes me 20 minutes. If you go back and watch the very first video that I posted on this channel, you'll see that it had been my first time in a very long time of doing a full face of makeup, and I did not really enjoy wearing makeup at that time because I felt like when you put makeup on, or when I put makeup on rather, it just made me look like a different person. I finally found a quick and easy makeup routine that I still look like myself and that I love very much. Like I said, it takes me 20 minutes and it's only a few things. I don't go in with all of the bronzer, extra concealers. I do like a bit of setting powder, but really it's foundation, powder foundation. So yeah, sometimes depending on like where I'm going, I do put setting powder, and that is like under my eyes and like by in the corners of my nose and my chin. And I only do that like when I'm going out, or if I know that I'm gonna be out dancing or out for a long time. But yeah, this color corrector is probably the only extra step that I do, and I go in with that because I like to cover up the dark spots on my face. I think that I really just wear makeup for an all over even skin tone, and then I go in and add the blush because I just want to feel sun-kissed. And as I got better with practicing my makeup routine, I learned that the most important part was blending. I don't blend super hard when I'm pressing the brush up against my skin. I more so just go in very lightly in circular motions and make sure that it is blended, kind of looks like skin. And I found out the easiest way to make your makeup look like skin is to apply less. Apply less and get yourself a really good skincare routine, because then it'll be easier for you to go in and blend the makeup and for you to still look like you. For my girlies who are going for that type of look. And I don't know, maybe in the future I'll get to the more extravagant and more detailed makeup look, but for now this is my everyday makeup routine. I love it because it's quick, it's easy, it only takes 5 minutes, and like I said, it can be used for beginners. And you'll see in the beginning that my foundation is a bit empty, and trust me, I am so sad about it. Honestly, I hate buying makeup, especially foundation. Because I just feel like I can't wait for my skin to be to the point where I actually don't need to put foundation on. I feel like I will get like a nice tinted sunscreen or a nice tinted moisturizer. I can't wait to be in that era of my life. But yeah, she's definitely empty, and I'm holding on for dear life there. I go in with my powder foundation on top of everything just so I can get that even look, and I really want it to like blend into my skin. So wherever I was lacking with the liquid foundation, the powder foundation will cover it and will also help to set everything. For my blush placement, I like to go in, I think, pretty heavy. I like to see the blush on my skin, but I also like for it to look a tad bit natural, so I go back in with the powder foundation over my blush. After I get it pretty pigmented, I go all the way up from my cheekbone to my temple, and then I go ahead and blend that out. The key in makeup is blending, and I feel like if you press too hard with the brush, the makeup kind of goes away. I don't know, that could just be me, but yeah, I blend very softly and in circular motions. Now this is my favorite part, guys. I love me a good lip, and lately I've been wearing a brown lip liner with some gloss. And I feel like that has been my go-to. This gloss that I'm using is from NYX. It's a neutral gloss, and then I go over with like this shimmery, it's like a shimmery like purple reddish lip gloss from Fenty. It's so good, guys. I love this lip combo. I'm gonna show you guys on Instagram. I'm gonna do like a small little tutorial, so head over to Instagram and make sure that you are following me. Guys, I love the setting spray. This mixed with the One Size setting spray is top notch. Okay, I ran out of the One Size setting spray, but this will do on its own. The Charolette Tilbury setting spray is everything. I need to get a fan, oh my gosh. But wasn't this an easy makeup routine? Let me know in the comments. Love you, bye.